Hey guys, I just made a little snack out of some toasted baguette and the churn style homemade butter and garlic and the macadamia nut parmesan. Dusted also with a little bit of plain paprika and a little bit of parsley. Now let me see if I can eat this without burning myself. Yep, cooled off nicely, which is good because I still have a blister from the French onion soup. Wow. This is really good. I mean, garlic bread is good anyway, but with this macadamia nut parmesan on top, it's even better. So as always, I'll link to my previous video, link to the using vegan dairy foods and recipes playlist, link to the videos for the butter and the parmesan, and link to my blog where, well, I guess I'll put a recipe. It's pretty simple though. I mean, probably everybody knows how to make garlic bread, and then just sprinkle on top whatever you like. And thanks for watching, especially if you watch to the end. This one's going to be short. Thanks for commenting, thanks for liking, and I will see you later, guys.